King movie magic is just green screens and CGI. There's a secret coding weapon behind the scenes. You need to watch this if you're curious how blockbuster visuals really come to life. Behind every Hollywood blockbuster, there's a hidden hero, Python. Yep, the same programming language you can learn from your bedroom is powering the biggest films on the planet. Studios like Pixar, Disney, and Industrial Light and Magic rely on Python every day. Why? Python automates boring tasks so artists can focus on creativity. It renders insanely complex scenes, making sure everything from explosions to alien planets looks flawless. And it ties together massive VFX pipelines, connecting artists, software, and tools, so entire teams can bring stories to life. But why Python? Simple. It's easy to learn, super flexible, and works beautifully with animation software like Blender and Maya. Whether you're an artist wanting smoother workflows or a developer dreaming of working on Star Wars, Python's your ticket in. Here's the best part. You don't need a Hollywood budget to get started. All you need is curiosity and maybe a laptop. So, if you're even a little bit tech curious, why not start learning the language behind the magic? Your journey to engineering world starts now.